benefit extension expires on April 2nd, thousands could lose their driver's licenses, putting their jobs, mobility, and stability at risk. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. Thousands of TPS migrants could lose driver's licenses in April. A new concern is spreading among thousands of migrants living in the United States under Temporary Protected Status, TPS. Beginning April 2nd, many of them, particularly Venezuelans, could lose access to their driver's licenses due to changes in the validity of benefits linked to their immigration status. End of TPS benefit extension. For months, an extension allowed many TPS holders to keep their driver's licenses and continue their daily routines. However, according to reports, that temporary extension is set to expire on April 2nd. If no new extension is granted, thousands of migrants may suddenly find themselves unable to renew or maintain this critical document. Driver's licenses are not just identification cards. For many migrants, they represent the ability to commute to work, take children to school, attend medical appointments, and maintain basic independence in daily life. Hundreds of thousands of Venezuelans affected. The situation could affect a large portion of the Venezuelan community in the United States. Experts estimate that roughly 600,000 Venezuelans currently benefit from TPS protections. Many of them receive their driver's licenses through the work permits connected to TPS. If those benefits are no longer recognized for license renewals, thousands may lose both their ability to drive legally and the identification that supports their employment. Legal uncertainty despite valid TPS. Immigration attorney Luis Victoria explained that the expiration of the extension could create an unusual legal gap. Even migrants whose TPS protections remain valid until October 2026 may still face problems renewing their driver's licenses once the April deadline passes. According to Victoria, once the extension ends, affected migrants may have no immediate legal option to maintain their licenses unless new guidance or policies are issued. Growing concerns within the community. Community leaders are warning about the serious consequences this situation could create. Jose Antonio Colina, a representative from the Venezuelan advocacy group VEPEX, described the emotional and practical impact. He explained that losing both a work permit and a driver's license places migrants in a vulnerable position. Without these documents, people risk losing their jobs, facing mobility challenges, and potentially being exposed to detention during routine encounters with law enforcement. For many families, the fear is not only about transportation, it is about losing the sense of stability they built in the country. Possible alternatives for some migrants. Despite the uncertainty, legal experts say that a few migrants may still have options. In some cases, individuals could apply for asylum, even if more than 1 year has passed since they entered the United States. Lawyers may argue that extraordinary circumstances prevented them from applying earlier. However, each case is different and requires careful legal evaluation. Experts urge immediate legal advice. With the April deadline quickly approaching, immigration specialists are urging migrants to seek advice from licensed immigration attorneys. Professional guidance could help individuals understand their rights, explore possible legal alternatives, and avoid falling into undocumented status. For thousands of TPS holders, the coming weeks may determine whether they can continue driving, working, and living with stability in the United States. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.